In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the color replacement tool within Photoshop. This tool is really useful if you want to change colors on individual elements within a picture. So for example, here I've got a picture of oranges, which you can download from the YouTube description. All I'm going to do is drag that onto an open Photoshop. The color replacement tool is available inside where the brush tool is available, so you select that. Now you can adjust the width and size of the brush by right-clicking, just as you can with the brush and pen tool. You can also adjust the hardness too and angle. So we're going to make it about this big. And all you do is you select the foreground color that you want to replace with. So I'm going to make it like a blue, okay? And then you just hold and draw over the element on the screen that you want to change the color with. As I said before, you can change the hardness and the thickness of the brush to touch it up later at a later point. Okay, so you can see here it's replaced the color with the foreground color here. The way this works is it picks the color based on the target in the middle of your brush, and it will change it with the foreground color. There's a couple options here that you can change. You can change the hue, which I've got here. What the hue does is it doesn't adjust the light or any of the background colors. It just literally changes the pixel color to the color selected. If you select color, it's going to also change the light too. So let's change the color here to like a bright green. This option here will also overwrite the actual lighting. So it's a little bit more artificial, as you can see, as I draw my way around. So you can see here, this one, the hue kept the lighting. This one here, it removed it, so it makes them look more artificial. Obviously, there's different modes here you can pick from. You can also select how you want the limits on it in terms of whether it picks it from the pixels around it or the exact pixel. You also have the tolerance. I suggest that you play around with this tool and see what you can do. My advice is to try to color as many oranges as possible with different colors and just test the different limits of this tool. Thank you for watching this video.